Write down on top of that piece of paper the word, the associative property. A highfalutin word that really don't mean a whole lot more than whatever. Associative property. Associative property. Associative property. Now, when you think of the associative properties, young fifth graders, really what you need to think about, you cannot have the associative property without having parentheses. And in case you don't know what a parenthesis is, that's this little thing here. A lot of times people put a colon in front of it and make a smiley face, and sometimes they put a colon in front of it and make a frown face, but that's not what we're talking about. Just so you know, that's the little sign for parentheses. Okay? And what parentheses mean in math, the parentheses in math, if you see something in parentheses, it means you have to do that first. And I will give you the example for this. Let's say I have this, 1 plus 2 plus 3, and there's a parenthesis here. And I'm looking at this also here as 1 plus 2 plus 3, and there's a parenthesis there. The parenthesis says I have to do that first, which means, in this case, I add 1 plus 2, which is 3, and then I add 2 3's together. My answer to this is 6. In this case, I add 2 plus 3 together and get 5, and 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay? How about that? Look, I got the same answer even though I did something first. And that, ladies and gentlemen, what I just showed you is what we call the associative property. And write this down. It's not going to make as much sense to you now as it will later on in life. Okay? The associative property first of all only works with addition and multiplication. Only works with addition and multiplication. And what it says is, and it says you can group problems maybe I don't like to say it. You can group, how about this? Let me change that. And it says you can change parentheses and get the same answer. Get the same answer. Just like I got the same answer. But you're going to say, well, doesn't that always work? Let me say that.
Always work.
Let's add some subtraction in here. Let's say I have 6 minus 2 plus 3. And then let's say I have 6 minus 2 plus 3. Right? Those are the same numbers.
Yeah.
And let's say I do this. I have the parenthesis around this first, and then I have the parenthesis around this second. Am I gonna get the same answer? Let's check and see. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Over here, I do 2 plus 3 first because it's in parentheses, that's 5. What's 6 minus 5? 1. Do I get the same answer?
No.
Why? Because the associative property, which I did up here, only works with addition and multiplication. Because there's subtraction in here, it does not work. So you can put a big old sad frown face with that. It just doesn't work. Sad frown face. Not bad. Let's see what else they ask you for this. Oh, here's another one. But they're going to do this. 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. And I want to compare that to 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. Put parentheses around it, parentheses around it. If you see a problem like this come up in your book, you have to write the problem down. Just like it appears in your book, that needs to be written down. Okay, now please don't get it in your head. Even though they're the same numbers, 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 4 divided by 2, you might automatically say, well, I'm just going to put equal because they are, to which I'm going to say, they may not be, because yes, it's the associative property, but it's not multiplication or addition. So you're going to have to do this. What is 8 divided by 4? And what is 2 divided by 2? 1. What is 4 divided by 2? 2. And what's 8 divided by 2? 4. So these are not equal. They're not the same. You need to do the problem out. Because of the change in parentheses with division. The multiplication and addition, it doesn't change it. But if it's division and subtraction and all that sort of stuff, it does. So please make sure that you are writing out those problems. That's really the only thing. You just have to remember that you have to do parentheses first. Parentheses have to be done first. Highlight that whole thing. I thought that